अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हाउ आर यू फ्रेंड्स? कैसे हैं आप लोग? ठीक हैं जी। सो द आर्टिक रीजन, अ ब्रीफ ओवरव्यू। वेयर इज आर्टिक रीजन? द आर्टिक इज वन of two polar region in the world. Centerpiece is Arctic Ocean, which surrounded by continental landmass and island. The Arctic Circle, an imaginary line at latitude 66 degree 30 minutes north, defined the southern boundary of Arctic region. Other definition of Arctic include the area north of tree line and where the average daily summer temperature does not rise above 10 degrees Celsius. This is the map. Arctic Ocean, smallest of the world's ocean and the most landlocked of all oceans, covered by perennial drifting polar ice pack that average about 3 meters in thickness. The ice peak is surrounded by open sea during the summer, but more than double in size during the winter and extend to the encircling land masses. Ocean floor is about 50% continental shelf, influenced by river, receiving 11% of world river runoff. The interaction of Arctic Ocean current with atmosphere influence climate pattern throughout the northern hemisphere. Characteristics of Arctic climate: extreme seasonal cycle of photospheroid and temperature. Winter, much of the land in the far north is under snow and ice. However, a large portion of the Arctic is comprised of forested and tundra region where numerous plant, shrub and tree grow. Summer begin around mid-July and end late August. Winter have little snow or rainfall. The summer never rises and temperature may go down to 40 degree below Celsius. Land and marine ecosystem. Land is generally continuous permafrost, preventing water from percolating into the ground, creating numerous lakes and marshes. Major land ecosystem is tundra vegetation. Much of the marine ecosystem is covered with pack ice. Much of marine life depend on the presence of sea ice for food. Both ecosystems have plant and animal that have adapted to survive the extreme environment. People and culture. People have lived in the Arctic for millennia. Eskimo, comprised of the Inuit, Yupik, several other groups who range from Alaska to Canada and Greenland. The Sami, previously called Lapes of Scandinavian, the Nenets of northern and West Russia, and Sakha Yakut of Russia, and the Chukochi of Siberia. Many remain dependent on subsistence species like caribou and walrus, vulnerable species to changing environment conditions. Several large cities inside the Arctic Circle, including Barrow, Alaska, Tromsø, Norway, Murmansk, and Salikhard in Russia. Arctic contains natural resources significant to the world economy: oil, gas, diamonds, coal, gold, zinc, and other minerals. Why study Arctic Circle? Least study and understood of the world's region. Interact in complex and significant way with global climate system. Contain historical information about past time, a window to the present. Models suggest climate change will be detected and amplified in the polar region first. One of the best places to detect effect of human activity on climate and environment. Thanks. So, Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe, share and comment on our channel. Thank you.